Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add multiple choice questions to your Adobe Acrobat PDF. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you want to do is go to the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com. From where you can get started opening up Adobe Acrobat and not installing it. So once you've installed the application and open it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started. We can go ahead and take a look at the recommended tools for you section, which is going to go ahead and enable us to see all the tools in our disposal to get started with using on our PDFs. So let's go and take a look at this article right here on creating a multiple choice question in PDF. So now we are going to go ahead and have an answer by somebody who is familiar with Adobe. So basically guys, you're going to see all the answers for a specific use case. You can go ahead and use the official Adobe community to search for similar articles to see experience from other people, how they have done it. But basically you're going to use the edit a PDF option. This is going to enable you to modify or add text. And basically using this is going to enable you to add your questions. But as you can see, you need the premium version of Adobe Acrobat. So you cannot do this with a free version. You need to go ahead and upgrade to premium to get your free options to edit your PDFs, but it is not doable with the free version. Once you've gotten premium, you can click edit a PDF and get started following similar articles like this one to add your questions. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.